Okay, this is the donor camera. I'm trying to get this cable out. 6-pin on one end. I've threaded this from the other side of the gimbal all the way through the channel. Got it through there, and now I have to get it through this little hole, and then it has to go into the inside of this gimbal pivot, which is going to be really tricky. And if I can get this out, if I can get it out of here, then I'll need to put it in the other camera, because the cable is broken on the other camera. So I'm going to work on that.